Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. And guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos, I'm going to visit one of my friends, and let's learn advice from each other. That's the best way we can improve by ourselves. And guys, I hope you are ready for this journey from my home here, heading to my friend. I want to pay a visit there and maybe to have a sweet talk with him on this platform. And guys, thank you so much by showing me love on my yesterday videos. I left my village some few hours. Let me say, on my yesterday I spent 6 good hours going and coming back, because going is 3 hours. Like, it took me 3 hours from my home. From my home I went to Nyabuhanse, to David Jr., and then I went to Boira Town making shopping for my grandma. And technically I told David Jr. I'm going to greet your aunt. For David Jr., he is aunt, but for me she is my grandma, or he is my grandma. And my journey was so amazing. I can't complain, but sometimes I get some lost on the road, and I ask here and there, because the road which you're going to use initially have been under construction. So oh yeah, yani I was talking to my friend. Let me say hello to him. So on today's videos, I'm going to take my bike, and also I'm going to charge my power bank at the same time, and then that's my friend. Yes, and Tana form. Me, I'm just shooting this video.
That's okay.
Maybe if you're watching YouTube channel, you can watch yourself today.
Even now.
So guys, I'm heading home. I'm going to take my bike, and then hey. So guys, that's my friend at the back right here. So I'm heading this way. I'm going to take my bike and then drive up to Nyabuhanse, and then after Nyabuhanse I left my power bank to be charged. Going to visit, oh man, visit Diana Kemi. She was one of my friends. Wow. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, in my village here, life is not easy. Right now it's summer season, but yesterday we so blessed. It's raining a little bit, and then boom. Let's go. Let's go. See guys, today it's on a rain right now. Trama. Wow guys, so I'm going to take my bike, that being said, drive to Nyabuhanse and going to my friend. Wow. So guys, comments. You know, when I was around at my home, there's no need to wear my helmet, but when I'm going far away from my home, I'm supposed to wear my helmet and all stuff, as you know, man. Wow. Let's go. Look how the way it looks like. I'm telling you, today it's 50-50, raining or not rain, but hopefully it will rain right now. Wow guys, to be honest, you mean the world to me, and me, I will never let you down. I'll make my videos. I'll show you how I'm struggling around my village, shooting the videos. Like on my yesterday, I struggle going to meet my grandma, surprising her, man. Nobody told me like, hello baby, do it from my home here. No. Nobody told me from my extended family, do it for your grandma. No. I just do it from my bottom of my heart, and for me, the moment my heart told me, hello baby, you wanna do it, I do it. But when my heart doesn't tell me, I'll never do it. So guys, I'm heading this way. Actually, I'm going to take my bike, and this is what I'm calling home soon. I wanna demolish this house, guys. You'll be there. I'll shoot the videos. You'll see how I demolish the house and do everything. You know, man. Wow. So let's go. Hello. You good?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Today my brother, he was a chef inside here. What are you preparing for us?
I'm preparing for you some ugali.
Ugali? Wow, maybe somebody outside there watching my videos and then they want to know your full name.
Oh, my name is Samuel Muita. Yeah.
You are a cook right now.
Yeah, I am a chief chef now.
Yeah, let me show you guys. That's how we cook ugali. Wow. See right there? That's how my brother cook ugali. Anyway, guys, in case you're new here and you doesn't have clothes going on, I'm just shoot this video around my home. Actually, right now it's lunchtime, and we wanna eat ugali. And maybe which kind of veggies did you going to prepare?
I'm going to prepare some sardines.
Sardines.
Yeah.
That is it. Sardines is one of the popular food that we have here, or a small fish. And then there's a day I went to Tanzania. I make a shopping for my mama, sardines, and also tomatoes. So she gonna cook sardines, and also we have ugali right now here, guys. Oh my god, that's ugali. That's ugali. Anyway, guys, let me take you outside and see what's going on. Wow, that's my cousin there. Wow. We just pull up outside, so I'm heading this way. So I'm going to show you guys. You know, sometime my cousin came and chill at my home. So you know, house which have some visitor every time is the house that I have blessing, love. So I'm going to meet with my baby right there. So actually, Daddy, Tanda triple bank and Mahayu. Ni charge. So I'm calling my cousin to bring my power bank and also my charger. I wanna heading to Nyabuhanse with my babies right there, going to charge them. Imagine, guys, all the way from my home heading to Nyabuhanse to charge my phone. And right now it's on a rain after few minutes, you know. So this is the blocks, guys. Let me know in the comment section. I saw most of the people try to advise me, please cover. So Daddy, you tell me mama muita akurika chandrubere nkunike maburu kanu kigoro kigoro ahien imenera asoki. So that's my cousin, guys, of which I was supporting them, paying them $30. That's also ben. Uchugi kundikiri kigoro. Alright, guys, so I'm heading to Nyabuhanse to charge these things. Imagine, wow, all the way from my home, and today's gloomy day. You can see, look, you know, some few minutes it's gonna start raining, you know. So for my premiere again, maybe you'll get this video or not yet, you know. Look how it looks like this one here. It's gonna rain anytime from now. So today it's a confusion day. So that being said, to be a confusion day, it's raining. So and on today's videos are very, very special. Wow. I think to be hide. I have to put my power bank. keep going. Like on my yesterday videos, I left my village, going to my grandma. It's far away. I drive 3 hours, and then I surprise her. Boom, heading this way. Let's go. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. The goat is grazing right there. Wow. Guys, today is 50-50. Today it's gonna rain or not yet. Like yesterday, it's rained a lot. The rain of cat and dog in the evening time. Let's move on. Oh my, okay, look. I'm heading to Nyabohansi right now, guys. I want to charge my power bank because I'm going to use for charging my phone and also my camera. Imagine, guys, in case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. We're heading straight. That is it. People are planting maize right here. We keep moving on. Well, guys, I'm shooting this video on Saturday, and if you are Adventist when you came from church, please watch my videos till the end. Your son, your brother is outside. Wow. It's nice house, gate, perimeter wall. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. There's a school right here where my sister and also my brother lands. Yeah. I'm telling you. We keep moving. Moving on. Nada. Fish. Keep moving on. Imagine, guys, I have my power bank right here. We're all in well. Let's see. How are they going? Petty. Great. There's a rental house right there. Wow. Imagine, guys, all the way from my home, came in here to charge my power bank. So this is Nyabohansi. Buanyanda. Boyore. Boya. This is Nyabohansi village for you. Welding is going on right there. That's a KK. So guys, I came to charge my power bank here, and I met one of my brothers. Say hello.
Hello guys. My name is Jose Official. I have
Jose
Official. I have
a YouTube channel.
A YouTube channel.
Okay, guys.
Jose Official 01.
And guys, if you doesn't have clue what's going on, we just came. I came to charge my power bank here, even my phone at KenV254. Go and check him. I really appreciate. And it's not a clickbait, guys. Let me show you. This is my power bank right here, and this is the cable. You know, I connect there. Imagine. Maybe one day I will get off-grid solar panel. Maybe one day. I'm just dreaming. Okay, Joseph. Joseph Official 01. Joseph Official 01. And also go and check KNV 254. I really appreciate for the love and service because they give me free service like to charge my phone, to charge my power bank, to charge my camera. Man, you know I came from no power. We are on darkness. But one day God will open the door. I'll get the solar. Not if it's not a solar, I'll get electricity like this one. Imagine, guys. Here, look. Lights are on. People are watching right now here. So just thank you, bro. Oh, guys. Officially, I have arrived. So all the way from my home. So I came to pay a visit to my friends right now here. And technically, since I was been here, even I can't remember. Maybe it's last year, maybe in January. But right now I came and then I found huge transformation. You can see right here, this is the perimeter wall. Man, people are really building. I'm telling you guys, I'm just new in terms of building and construction. So I came here to get a piece of advice, you know, people who are building, they can give me a good advice here and there. So right now I'm on the process of buying materials, right, left, center to build my mom's dream house. And I'll try to imagine this is a perimeter wall, man, running from here. And it gives you some steps, like some codes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put that concrete slab, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then like that way. Imagine, guys, imagine. It's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. And today, guys, my video could not be longer because of time and everything. Maybe for my premium again you'll get, or not yet because of time here and there. And today's a weekend day, so I need to release my videos early as possible. So let's see how the day goes, guys. I hope you're ready for this and ready for the questions, you know, and give you maybe some quick tour to this amazing compound. Look how it's shining, man. Wow, look. And right here we have the church. Anyway, guys, welcome. Welcome, guys. This could be the part of the gate right here, and it's a wide gate. Maybe she will be put a sliding gate, but no idea at all. Look right now here we have the balance stones right here. When you want to build, you must have the sand, balance stones, cement, and everything. A day like this, me just pull up. No, guys, up to that way. So I want to take you maybe right, left, center. I want to meet you the owner of this compound. If you watch these videos every day, you know where right now I am. You know, no faking things. You have the blocks right there. Oh, I came with my baby. When I'm saying my baby, I mean my motorbike, just waiting me here for taking me around the village. We have also papaya right here and some flowers. Unaangalia tu, hawajafika bado, hawajafikia huko mwisho. Sijua, introduce.
Oh yes, hi guys, welcome back to Hello Babies YouTube channel. And he has this dreadlocks, yeah, twisted ones. Yeah.
This is my hair.
No,
I need to cut.
your real hair?
Nakwambia ni nywele yangu.
No.
Labda penye walijoin ni hapa. Unaona kama hapa.
Oh.
Nimejoiniwa hapa. Lakini kutoka hapa mpaka hapa ni nywele yangu.
Hey, ni refu, it's so long. It's long.
I need to cut. Yes. How was everything?
Everything is ongoing nicely. We are still working, and some of the works we are still pushing step by step. Step by step. Yeah. Okay, hi guys, welcome back, and I'm really happy once again to be here with you, and I'm so happy and glad once again. So Today we are at African Serenity Garden. The view right now is so cool. Since it rained last night, we were blessed with rainfall, and right away we are almost again going to receive another rainfall, so that is a big blessings. And at least right now it's not so much sunny the way it used to be, so it's still fresh. And Hello Baby is here.
Yes, I'm just over here.
Yeah.
I went down there to tell one of the mason to put off music.
The music. Yeah.
Yes.
Because of
Copyright. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can take me long around
the wall from
the wall, and then you go maybe to the house, because
yeah.
you can advise me how to build maybe the house and everything. You know, right now me, I'm just like buying materials random, no idea.
Which is a good thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First start with the buy materials.
Yes.
Then put the materials on the ground, even if it's not all of it. Put the ones which you'll start with.
Yes.
And then from there you can start the
Yeah.
journey.
Okay.
Yeah. The transformational journey.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is our compound.
Yeah.
We are on trying to do the fencing. And today they were arranging the stones.
Okay.
Tomorrow they pour concrete on it. And
Okay,
they
guys,
leave
look.
it to dry.
Oh, tomorrow is a slab. Up, or take a slab, mama.
Yeah, on Monday.
On Monday?
Yeah,
Or because tomorrow is
We'll
on
be
Sunday?
resting. Yeah, we'll be resting.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll be pouring the slab on top.
Wow.
This is where we started from. Corner, round up to the other side. Yeah.
And maybe somebody watch these videos per block. For those guys who make for you blogs, how much per block?
So it depends, but it can range from 7 shillings, 8 shillings, 9, 10 shillings. So it depends the way you agree with the person who is making, how you bargain, but it ranges through there.
Okay, and I see you put like concrete. Make a use ratio kosa.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
that's
this it should be strong because
Yes.
Block, brick, and stone. Block is kind of weak.
Yeah.
You have to make it strong.
yes. Put more cement.
More cement.
Yes.
And also later, if you decide you can plaster it when you are well prepared.
Yeah, even maybe you can build a house for the guest. Maybe when maybe people pay a visitor here. Tunaweza jenga nyumba pale. Naweza kuwa. Yes.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, guys, I'm telling Lena Kemi, maybe in the future she can build a house there, maybe for the visitor. For example, Hello Baby, when pay maybe one day to appear a visitor here, you can give me free accommodation. You just sleep
Where you
there.
can sleep.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, so
Ukweli ratio alikuwekea ni nzuri.
iko sawa.
I recommend on this ratio, guys.
It's a good one. It's strong.
You know, hata kinyesho haibomoki haraka.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are the place these ones. We'll be finishing on the other side, halfway, and then from there I think we'll plan again on how we are going to go back and finish. So we started from the gate side, round, we've done it for halfway. So they are still working on it. We still have to put the lintel part, buy steel put, like we still have lots and lots of work. We have a long way to
Yes, me, I'm telling my people,
Yeah.
construction are not
go.
easy.
It's not easy.
Yes,
Like
maybe
that.
somebody like you build and then you have experience. Yes.
Yeah, and also from these experiences, you get to learn from mistakes. You get to, like right now, if I'll manage another project, the mistakes will be very few
Yes,
as
you know.
compared with the first one.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wow.
you just learn everything. Especially by making mistakes, you never repeat that mistake again.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is, I'll be showing you from the inside.
Yeah.
So this is from this side. This is the new house, our new house which we are still working on it. So welcome.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now it's like much more of a storage
Yes.
since we are working on the outside part. So these are some of the posts which were there for fencing.
Yeah.
So this barbed wire, they roll them here so that when they'll be making the fence, they usually use the barbed wire.
Yes.
The block fence.
Yes.
So they
Instead
put it
of buying a wall
another barbed
pass,
wire.
You can use this one.
Is this one. So there is no loss.
Yes.
And I told them the post they remove for me very careful.
Yeah, even you can sell for somebody.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because this post right now it goes for 350 to 400 shillings, but right now I think it's 400 shillings.
Yes.
Yeah. When I bought it, I had bought it at 350 shillings, but right now it's 400. So it's good you just put them, and these things are really strong. They are not. They are treated. They are not. Can't be eaten by termites, so they are still good for use.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is the new house. Right now it's like a storage. Yeah. We when coming back to do the ceiling and the floor, we'll clear up everything inside.
Yes. Have you already painted or these are skimming?
This is skimming. Okay. And I skimmed a white color because I love white.
Yeah, white, it can attract, maybe reflect light. And then also for the beauty.
Yeah, it's true. Yes. So from here, this is the sitting, and then the dining.
No light?
There's no light. I don't know what's wrong with this one right now.
Hii ni meza.
Yeah.
Nani amekutengenezea?
Hii ilikuwa kosea, but it was also a surprise from one of our moms. Yeah.
Mbona hii ni mti?
Hii ni mti board strong. Okay. Yeah.
Sasa utaweka hapa?
Yeah, meanwhile it will be here. You know, we haven't organized our house much. But when we finish building, we'll come to reorganize each room step by step. We'll start with the washroom and master bedroom, come to the kitchen, move, dining, sitting, like everywhere. Yeah.
Maybe I want to ask you one thing, maybe one question.
Yeah.
How much blocks or bricks do you use on this house?
I can't remember properly, but it was a lot, because during that time we were just bringing.
Yeah, me, I want to start with the first thing.
You want bricks or blocks?
I was starting with bricks, and I paid the guy. Actually, he was my neighbor, and then her mother bring conflicts, like calling me a Illuminati and there. And then I said, you know what? Tell your son to return my money back.
He returned?
No, I'm waiting. I give him some time to return me money. So right now we bought some blocks. I want to use 2,000 blocks. Maybe when it's not finished the house, I'll use the partition of bricks. I will buy.
You can use outside maybe the blocks. Inside you can partition with the bricks.
Yes.
Yeah, most people do like that. Or if you want, you can just put blocks from up till down.
My engineer told me maybe I would have 2,500 blocks. So
for the outside.
For the outside. Also for inside.
Oh, all of it, like total
2,500. That one can finish 3-bedroom. Like yours is 3-bedroom?
Yeah, it's a 3-bedroom.
Maybe I'm get confused. To count one, kitchen, dining. Sizinapita?
No, they count the bedrooms.
Only bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Even maybe you count every step. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey!
More.
It's
so
more.
They count mostly bedrooms, because bedrooms are the most, For the kitchen has to be there.
Yes.
For the sitting room, it has to be there. But now bedrooms differ. Maybe 2-bedroom, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. But for us, it's a 3-bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah. A 3-bedroom bungalow. Maybe we can start with here.
A bungalow.
Yeah.
It's a bungalow.
It's a bungalow.
Yes.
So from here, these ones, I told you right, it's a store.
Yes, it's a store.
Yeah, here they were doing some of the correction, removing some of the tiles. So this one, when they'll be mixing, they'll mix it outside there.
Why
the concrete.
Mbona ulikutolea tiles?
We are going to correct this place. Yeah.
Yeah, everything must be pure white.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's going to be corrected. So that's why we left it that way. And then this is the second bedroom. Still we haven't completed it, but we'll be coming when we are ready, when we are well prepared.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, the moment even me I build my mom's house, I must have my own room to sleep there.
Your own special
Yes,
room.
my own special
And your
room.
mom's special room.
Yes, automatically mama will have the
most
master
special
bedroom.
one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe me I will have my room aside to sleep, to launch maybe a house for meanwhile.
Yeah, that would be great actually.
Mbona wanashikashika wanakuchafulia?
It's because, you know, right now they're working with cement, with everything. And some people don't really know how to take care of the white space. They just touch with their hands, you know. Yeah, so maybe I should put something, don't touch here.
Or you do like this, maybe because the house is under construction,
Yeah.
you can left maybe wakieka ceiling board. After finishing putting ceiling board and maybe painting would be the final attaches. You put tiles and everything. You said right now is to finish up painting. Wakiandaga even though it's chafu.
That's true.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is the master bedroom
For the king
for the king or queen.
or
Right
queen.
now it's queen.
Yes.
Yeah, and this is the washroom. We are going to work on it again. So, like the way we partitioned this way, we are going to work on it. We were partitioning it yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll be coming back after we finish with the outside. We'll be coming inside the house now to make it nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a nice improvement.
Yes. And then from here, the kitchen on this side. Is the kitchen.
I say very tiles. Yeah, for the maybe left place which haven't painted, it's tiles.
Yeah.
Yes.
So halfway will be they will put tiles. Halfway will be the paint. So we'll see on how we are going to do it. Already they are done the wiring. There is a wiring for the electricity, which is good. So yeah.
And maybe in future, should I going to have a gas inside?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I'm
we're
trying
gonna
to
have some
advise
gas.
you.
Yeah.
Don't put gas inside. Aidu jenge nje upitishe pipe kama ishimo.
Gasi ya kupikia.
Usiweka kwa nyumba ijenge nje. In case when the gas maybe like boop, explodes, we found maybe the gas is outside. When it explodes inside here and then maybe it's found maybe somebody here, maybe at night you are sleeping, you just maybe inhale that gas, that fumes of the gas. Yeah, I'm telling you.
And what if it's that gas for the one which has 4 burners, the one which is
Okay, burners you can put inside,
yeah, but not
but the gas cylinder outside.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you build something on the outside.
Okay, let me go and showing you outside. Hapa kuna pitika.
Yeah.
Let me show you outside here. You see, for example, you want to put a gas, maybe your kitchen is here. You can build something here small for the gas.
Maybe, but I think it will look.
Or
Yeah.
you put aside.
Yeah, maybe aside. Because if you put aside, for example, this side, it will look different. It will look odd.
Or maybe you can build there and then you have a long pipe. Cylinder will be outside. Me, I'm telling you. Kwa sababu ikiripuka hapo ndani.
Inaanza kwa.
Just mimi niliadvise kitu kama hiyo unaijengea nje kabisa. So pipe inakuja tu. Inapita inapanda inaingia
Inaingia na hapo kando.
Lakini it's a lot of careless. Lakini ukio sasa kama sisi ukimaliza unafunga tu.
Unakuwa kid. You become kid.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a balcony here.
Yeah, this was the veranda from the outside, the kitchen veranda. Yeah.
When you feel so tired,
You
come and sit here.
Or you can make it a storage room also.
No. This
For
one
food
here.
stuff?
No, you can put here maybe a sofa set.
No.
If you feel tired,
No.
you can come
You
out.
know why? This is the back door. The front door is when you can put the chairs.
For example, you're cooking dinner inside here,
Yeah.
and you feel like you want to have maybe to breathe the fresh air outside.
Yeah.
You chill here.
How about for me? I want to, it depends with how you feel with your own choice. But for me, I feel this can be an extra room. Because if you say you relax here, you also relax on the front part. On the other side, it becomes. If you put chairs here, when you come, the room looks congested.
Okay.
Come here. This one should be a free space, maybe with shelves where you can put your food stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one can be better.
Okay.
Yeah. But it depends on your choice, you know? Yeah. Your own choice.
Me,
Yeah.
for example, I could left this place to be empty like the way it
Empty,
is.
totally.
Yes, total. If I want, maybe I cook there. I serve maybe my visitor or my friends.
On the other side.
Yeah, on the other side. Me, I will pass here, go and take shower, and then I come
But shower is in the house.
In the house?
Yeah.
Maybe if I want to take outside.
Outside
Yeah,
shower.
yes.
Okay.
Or maybe, for example, want to go outside. You operate at the back. Visit in front. Never know what's there. Nakem is doing. Ooh.
Yeah,
Lakini hapo unaweza ka drones kwa sawa tu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So meanwhile, it's a storage place. Like we just stopped from there.
Yes.
We worked on the outside part, and then we'll come in the inside just later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tunapitia hapa ama turudi huko?
Naweza pitia hata huku.
Tufunga basi huko. Wow guys. Hiyo sasa hiyo ndo tuliadvise lakini mimi sifataki maneno yao watu. Tuweke gas nje. Enyewe wanaekaga nje. Okay guys. Okay. Wow guys. So right now I'm heading home after visiting one of my friends. That's Diana Kemi, guys. Go and check her. I really appreciate. So we're moving on, going back home. Wow. Today it's amazing day. You can see by yourself. And a comment. That's upcoming restaurant right there. Woo. The beauty of my village. Guys. Right there. We have a beautiful house down there. And going up to that. So we keep moving on, guys. Heading home. Guys, if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe. Today for my premiere again, sorry. Like today's a weekend, I will release my videos earlier as much as possible. So we keep going, man. Wow. There's a driving area. Coming one. Look, guys, look. There's a neighbor crossing there. And guys, after few minutes from here, I wanna left the tarmac, heading home. Wow. I was coming from there, right there. Keep going this side. Oh my God. So guys, soon I wanna left the tarmac road. We're here. Actually, I'm heading down. Left the tarmac, back. Keep moving. Doda. Wow. Guys, this is the shortcut that I use. Most of the time heading to border town, most of the time using this. This is a dump site right now here. Let's move. We're driving smoothly, going back home. After from Diana Kemi, guys. Yeah. Wow. guys, to be honest, I had on my video, I can't remember, it's my last video or previous videos. One of my fans comments, I like to see front of the view of the clouds. Like that way, I show you. She likes to see beautiful clouds like this one here, you know. Almost all the time camera facing forward. You know? Wow. That's how we move on. You see the water stuck here? So it means yesterday it's raining. Let's go. Going straight up home. Nothing to be cut anymore, you know, heading straight. So this is how African roads looks like. Guys, we have Matoke right there. Oh man. That's a transformer. That being said, we have a retreat right now here. Guys, in case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please guys, I need your support by subscribing to my channel, like, comment and also share. That's the best way you can support Elobego Official. Oh my god. We almost reach home. Almost, guys. With my baby right now here. Keep roaring, man. So finally I'm back to my village. So probably guys, I'm going to end my video with you, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about, you know, I'm the guy who climbing the ladder step by step, slowly, no pressure, no competition, no nothing, you know. Let's move on. This is my homeland, other side, right there. I'm back home, guys. Today the weather is not good, that much good, but probably it will be okay, you know. So me, I'm passing here. So when I left home, I gave my cousin some work to do, but I didn't get the polythene paper. I want to cover those blocks right there. Oh man, look, huge progress. It's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. Oh, guys, I'm stuck here. Probably let me end my video. When my bike's stuck here, it means hello baby, end the videos. Now on this side here, we have a beautiful flowers, and most of the people advise me, tell your visitor it's Bougainvillea, the pink one, that one here. Even me, guys, I'm a lover of the flowers. And technically, when I finish complete to build my mom's house and our compound, I'll start planting flowers. It creates intention, or it creates the beauty of the compound. Look, then here, Look how it looks like. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful. So beautiful. And wow, it has green. Try to imagine, it has green leaves, at the same time pink, yellow here. Look, it's something yellow or white, something yellow, I think so. Anyway guys, this is what I'm calling home, and probably east to west, home is the best. So in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, subscribe, and also if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe. Soon guys, I want to share with you 7,000 subscriber, 7,000 subscriber. I'm the guy who climbing the ladder step by step. No pressure, no competition, no nothing guys. I'm just unique the way I am. This is what I'm calling home. And guys, that being said, you see yesterday it's a lot of rain, the cut of dog. We tried to open this trench, water could be running from other side, going up to that way to avoid water going to my borehole. And guys, when it's raining yesterday, I said, oh man, it won't affect my borehole because water, it's everywhere, scattered everywhere. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. In case you come here for the first time, please guys subscribe. And on my last video I was cooking here with Felicitas. Imagine guys, here, and her video went viral, and also even my video. Thank you so much guys by showing her some love. And I told her, or I advised her, make videos every day, make videos, shoot videos, and that's the best way you can go. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video guys. Bye.